I don't know the name of this knife. Is it the SEAR? Because that looks like... It's really weird how they have it. SEAR assisted opening. Like it's the name of the opening. The assist. Spring assisted opening. Finger flipper. Huh. I don't like that you can't really see. Well, the lock is probably, if it's a liner lock, it's probably pushed over anyway at the angle. That's a horrible. And you can't see the flipper. Horrible way of displaying. Just my opinion. SEAR 13 MOV. Okay. Stainless steel handle with G10 inserts, liner lock, tip down pocket clip. I guess the name of the knife is SEAR, because there's no mention about it being some special assisted opening device, so they should have just put it as the name SEAR up here in big letters so we know the name of the knife. Whatever. Okay, so the liner lockup is good. It's a heavier knife. I don't know how heavy, as I don't have my scale with me. I'll make sure I weigh it during the EDC testing. Deep carry clip, lanyard hole, mild chipping on the frame but not on the blade. Oh, I think I answered my own question. So, it is called the SEAR. Okay, good deal. I like that they're putting the name of the knife on the blade. So, kudos. That logo looks a little off-center. I like that, tab. Yeah. Opens up quite well. Oh, that clip, a little loose left to right, a little bit. But yeah, so tip down, deep carry, right hand only. Yeah. Teflon washers. Really nice flipping. There you go. That is the MNP by Smith & Wesson SEAR. Just slightly off center, but close enough.